Hi, welcome to Think Human. I'm Chris, and in this video I want to talk about, is mathematics real or invented? And this is an interesting question at first glance. You know, mathematics is this kind of really unreasonably good way to describe the reality and the universe that we live in. Like, we can discover mathematical constructs, different dimensional objects. It's like really crazy stuff that mathematicians can really go into, and it really is the perfect tool for describing reality. So the kind of philosophical question has emerged of, is this mathematics something that we actually discover in the world out there, or is this our own human invention? So this is just my thoughts and 2 cents on this, and essentially my kind of argument would be like the same way that we can talk about things in the world. I can tell you, like, look at that sky, like that sky is like so blue, and you could be like, oh yeah, that sky is blue, and you know what I mean, because we all agree on what the word blue means. This in no way means that I invented the word blue. It's just really, blue is just a good description of what the sky looks like sometimes. It's just a good description that we have made up to describe something in the real world. Language is like a perfect example of this. Like, we have all these thoughts and ideas and things we want to express. So we invented language, so we would have something to map onto these thoughts that we're having and to express it outward. I think the same way is with mathematics. To some people that might be disappointing, because, you know, maybe it's more exciting in a way to think of mathematics like we're uncovering it like some kind of tombs in Egypt or pyramids or whatever. This fun stuff. But yeah, it just seems like mathematics is a tool we invented to describe reality in an accurate way. It's like a language for describing reality, same way like we describe our thoughts with our natural language, as we describe reality with the language of mathematics. And there's no reason to think our own mathematics is like the one and only mathematics. We can think of many possible different kind of mathematical systems with like different numbers, different kind of signs and equations. Like, that's a bit trivial, but like the whole setup could be like quite different, and the results would still be similar and accurate. So yeah, like mathematics by this kind of logical reasoning seems to be invented. Like, this seems really like obvious to me. It feels a bit weird like making video on this, but since it is an actual question that people are asking, and maybe people have like good arguments against it, like I haven't heard any good arguments against you know, people saying that this is something we invented. Maybe someone comes up with something you know, fascinating, and it would be really interesting to know, but so far I haven't come across anything like that. So I hope you liked the video, got some interesting thoughts from it. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.